court all morning. So, Kim, why won't the judge let him quit the case?
Well, this is the emergency motion that was filed yesterday by David Griem, asking that he be allowed to withdraw from this case. And it's very short. It gives no details as to why he should be allowed to withdraw. It just says that the attorney-client relationship has broken down. Well, today the judge wanted more details. He asked for information on why the relationship has broken down. Griem said that he simply could not say without violating attorney-client privilege. Meantime, the prosecution was accusing David Griem and Bob Bashara of trying to delay a preliminary exam scheduled for next week when they say a key witness is expected to testify, a key witness who also is suffering from very serious health problems. Bashara and David Griem denied trying to delay this hearing, but again, when the judge asked Attorney David Griem to tell him why the relationship has broken down, why he should be allowed to withdraw from this case, the judge had a hard time keeping David Griem on topic.
The reason this man can't get a fair trial in the state of Michigan is police leaks and prosecution leaks. Since day one, within 24 hours of the death of Jane Bashara. It's my turn to talk.
Hold on, excuse me.
I'm objecting. This is beyond the scope of...
Both of you, hold on just a second. There will be no more outbursts like that. You know the rules of evidence. You know that counsel has a right to object. I'm not going to have that. I'm not going to tolerate that. You understand me?
I understand.
It's my feeling that given all the circumstances that have happened over these 7 months, that he has become a little less effective than I would have hoped he could be.
The court is going to err on the side of caution, and I am going to deny your motion to withdraw as counsel.
So now that the judge has ordered David Griem to continue on as the attorney for Bob Bashara, what's next? Well, Bob Bashara can still fire David Griem, but the judge says that in order for Bob Bashara to have a fair proceeding, he needs the attorney that he has had representing him next week. If he wants to hire a new attorney, that attorney can help David Griem and eventually take over. But for right now, David Griem is being forced to continue to represent Bob Bashara. We'll continue to cover this story and let you know what happens live in Detroit. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
Yeah, just fascinating to hear him say, Kim, less effective than I hoped he would be. You'd love to know the reasoning behind why he thinks that way.
I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time hearing. Can you repeat the question?
I was just saying it was fascinating to hear him say, Bashara say, that Griem is less effective than he hoped he would be. It'd be interesting to find out why he feels that way, why he feels he's less effective.
You know, I asked David Griem as he was leaving the courthouse why he thinks Bob Bashara would say something like that. He says that he thinks that perhaps Bob Bashara thinks the case has taken a toll on him. Bob Bashara also did mention in court that it is out of control in the media, this case. The judge pointed out you can't really say he's ineffective in court because really the proceedings have just gotten started. Right. Nothing really has happened just yet.
Yeah, fascinating. More twists and turns as always. Kim Russell, thank you so much for the live report from downtown.